Isigqibo sokuvulwa kweekritshi kubakhulule abazali abaninzi ingakumbi abo baphangelayo. Ngoku bazawukwazi ukusa abantwana babo kula maziko nekuza kunyanzeleka ukuba alandele imiqathango yentsholongwane yecorona. Ootitshala abaninzi basekritshi bathi sele beqalisile ukwenza amalungiselelo okwamkela oonomngqushwana.
Honestly, it's going to be a challenge. I mean, COVID-19, it's new. We don't know how we're going to work on that, but we have a plan, like social development has given us the SOPs to follow the guidelines. So what we'll do, we'll have a scheduled outdoor play, and we'll also have to teach kids and keep on reminding them of social distancing, washing their hands.
Logama abanye babatitshalakazi beqalisile ukwenza amalungiselelo, abanye abazali bathi abakaqiniseki ncam mayelana nokuthumela abantwana babo esikolweni.
Kids like to play around and they can't sit still in one position. So I'm not really comfortable with sending her to preschool.
How do I explain to a child to keep maintaining social distancing and to always make sure that he puts his mask on? Sometimes I take him to the mall, and while putting his mask on, he won't even maintain that mask for even 5 minutes.
I feel it's completely safe for them to return to school since the school has assured us that all the measures were taken. Their temperatures checked every time they go in.
Logama abazali basenexhala umbutho iSA Childcare uthi elicandelo beliza kuthwaxeka ngamandla nangakumbi ukuba bekuza kuphinda kubambezeleke ukuvula kweekritshi. Lo mbutho uthi oko bekuza kuphembelela ekubeni uninzi lwazo zivale.